Hey guys, welcome back. Cammy here. Pooped your boot.
What? Can you teach me how to duck it? You know why? Cause all the girls love it. Hey.
I lost my bracelet in the sack of potatoes at work. Oh my god.
My Yahoo! My.
We're back, guys. Sorry, I had to cut the video off. Let's talk about something. What can we drink now? What did we do? Why is it electric?
What can I wear though? There's nothing to wear.
Why did a shark bite me though? Why'd they put sharks in my drink though? I was like, I think there's a fucking shark in my drink. So funny. 2 hours. Guys, comment down below. You don't eat sweet and sour sauce? I haven't tried it. No, I'm sure. May I try it?
Krista, if you're watching this, I'm sorry for taking some of your sweet and sour sauce. I hope that you forgive me for doing this to you. And please don't make that face at me.
Hey, ready? 4. We didn't do an intro, so this is what we gotta do. Ready? Like Trailer Trash Team's intro. Ready? No. Okay, start it right here. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, welcome back. Cammy here. Pooped your boot. In case you guys don't know how to pronounce our name, it's Pooped your boot. We might change it to Hiccups. No, you crunched me.
Buggy Crash 2012. Yeah, we back up in this. Y'all ready?
Cause I am the baddest of them all. You forgot an apple. Okay, so we both have hiccups.
Okay, so since people were mad and I got 3 dislikes on my last YouTube video, in this clip we are actually going to be showing us hiccuping. So please like instead of disliking.
But the real thing here is, what is it about though? Title of the video. I know you're watching this because the title of the video. Hiccups / why did our coffee have a shark in it? Or things were electric. Come on, I'm not even gonna drink it tomorrow because it's fucking gonna make me have shark boy lava.
Damn, the baddest of them all. If you ain't got money, then I don't mess with y'all. Y'all think I don't get girls?
Lava girl, because your skin's hot. I wish. Hey guys, it's Cammy and Krista. I'm gonna insert a video right now of something that just happened to us. Are cookies in there? Mm-hmm. We keep getting electrocuted every time we go to take a drink. It hurts really bad. You guys probably can't tell, but it's really bad. Yeah. Do they give us cookies?
That's literally my second time asking. That's my second time asking about cookies. Krista, stop letting me eat so much.
My fucking monster exploded. We walked to the store today. On the way back, I dropped my bag. Shh, listen.
Fall. Hey Krita, it's Cammy. I love you and I love you, Sophie, and thank you for watching our YouTube video. We actually did hiccups this time. Another video will be out soon. Thank you for your support. Goodbye, everybody. Poop Shavut out.